create an Instagram Stories template. Add a plain colour background or choose a photograph from one of the free resources. Select elements and choose a circle with these dimensions. Upload an icon by selecting Elements, click on Graphics and then search for whichever icon suits your purpose. Click on Duplicate Page to copy the template and ensure a consistent visual style. Here's how you can add a neat little border to your highlight cover. If you don't want an icon, you can substitute it with text. Now upload your templates to your Instagram highlights. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and I will see you again next week.